Hello everyone, my name is Shivani. So here I have to run a Java program, uh, calculator Java program. Okay, so I have to build a basic calculator plus, minus, multiplication, division. Ask user for a number and then ask for the second number. Then ask for the operation whether it is add, subtraction, multiply or division. So in this, two of the math operation needs to be static methods and two of them to be needs to be non-static methods. All four operations should be in a separate class. Use if and else or switch, whatever. So for this, I have made a class calculator program and made it as a main method. So I made an addition, class addition as a static method, class subtraction as a static method, class multiply is a non-static method, class division as non-static method. Okay, so here now I'm making two scanner objects UI and UI1. So here I am asking the user to please enter a number. So that value, that integer, it will be stored in integer number 1. Now I'm asking the user to enter another number. That value will be stored in integer number 2. Again I have to ask, please enter any operation you want to perform. So here for this I created a scanner UI1. So that value will be stored in UI value will be stored in a string operation. For this I am using if else function. So if operation equals plus system.out.println, please find answer to your given two numbers. Addition, so I have to call the program from here. Okay, I have called this, I have to call the class and the method from here. This is the class addition and method is add. It has two values x and y and printing x plus y. So I'm calling this method class and method add here. Addition dot add, and these are the two numbers, number 1 and numbers 2. Else if operation dot equals minus system dot out print and please find answer of your given two numbers. Again here I have to call this subtraction method from here. Class subtraction and method is subtract. It has values integer x and integer y and printing x and y. Okay, so now you can see subtraction dot subtract numbers 1 and number 2. Else if operation dot equals multiplication system dot out print please find answer of your given two numbers. So again I have to call this class. Okay, I would call this method now. Class is, since it is a non-static method, so and this is a static method. We can see this is a static method, this is a non-static method. For this I have to create an object. Okay, so this is a class and this is a method with values integer a and integer b. So for this class multiply object m is equal to new. New is a keyword for creating any object, and then multiply, which is a class name, open close parenthesis. Then again object dot multi, which is a method, number 1 and number 2, which is given by the users. Else if operation dot equals division system dot out print please find answer of your given two numbers. So again this is we have to call the division method. So this, we know this is a static method and this is a non-static method. So it is a class division method div and values are integers a and integers b, and I'm calling this method. It is a non-static. For this I have to create an object. So division object d is equal to new division object d dot div number 1 and number 2. these numbers are given put by the user. So let me run this program. And please enter a number. Please enter another number. Please enter any operation you want to perform. Let us perform addition. So please find answer of your given two numbers is 46. Okay, let me increase. Okay. Now, again I'll run this program with enter a number. Let me enter 32. Enter another number. Let me enter 30. And this time entering, minus. Enter. Please find answer given number is 2. Please ignore this. Now I'm enter a number like I'm enter 32. Please enter another number. This I'm entering 2. Please enter any operation you want to perform. I'm doing multiplication. Please find answer for given two number is 44. Okay, multiply. I got it. Please ignore this line. Now let me run. Please enter any number. Suppose I'm entering this. Enter any number. I'm doing performing the addition. So this divided by 2 we got 22. So my program has run successfully. Thank you for watching.